morning, students. Let us begin today with a new chapter, that is Electrochemistry, Unit 3. It's a very important chapter and is around 5 marks, 4 to 5 marks in the board examination. This is around 5 marks in the board examination. Now, before we begin the chapter, I would like to explain to you what is electrochemistry. You are learning it in class 12 and it's a very important chapter. Let us first define what is electrochemistry. Children, the branch of science which deals with the production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reactions and the use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformations is called electrochemistry. Remember, the electrochemical reactions are of two types. Electrochemical reactions are of two types. Number one in which current is produced as a result of chemical change, and this is an example of a cell or battery. Number two, the other in which a chemical change results due to the passage of electric current. So these are the two types of electrochemical reactions. After this preliminary introduction and definition of electrochemistry, let us come to some very important terms which will be a part of this chapter. Some of the terms you have already read in class 11 in the chapter redox reactions, but still let us revise them once again. And the first important term is electrode potential. What is electrode potential? The electrical potential difference at setup between the metal and its solution is known as electrode potential. I repeat, the electrical potential difference setup between the metal and its solution is known as electrode potential. We can also say that electrode potential is a measure of tendency. Electrode potential is a measure of tendency of an electrode in a half cell to gain or lose electrons. It is of two types. This electrode potential is of two types. Number one, oxidation potential. What is oxidation potential? The tendency of an electrode to lose electrons or to get oxidized is called its oxidation potential. For example, N solid gives you Mn plus N electrons. Example 2, Zn reversibility, Zn2 plus 2 electrons. S2 sign reversibility arrows, twice S plus aqueous plus 2 electrons. Now, after oxidation potential, let us come to the reduction potentials. What are reduction potential? The tendency of an electrode to gain electrons. Remember, the tendency of an electrode to gain electrons or to get reduced is called its reduction potential. For example, N plus N electron gives you N solid. Cu2 plus 2 electrons give you copper solid. Twice S plus 2 electron gives you H2. These are the three examples, very clear examples of reduction potential. There are some very important factors on which the reduction potential depends. What are these three factors? The electrode potential depends upon nature of metal and its ions. Number two, concentration of ions in solutions, and number 3, temperature. These are the 3 factors on which the electrode potential depends. After this, there are few more important terms which we shall continue in my next class. Thank you.